Have you ever woken up in the morning feeling like something essential is missing? Not just the usual back aches or mental fog, but that deep-seated confidence you once had when swinging your legs out of bed in your 20s and 30s. That subtle yet powerful signal. I'm alive, I'm ready, I'm still fully a man. If that feeling has faded over time, know that you're not alone. Countless men over 50 reach out to me, wondering why their mornings now feel dull, and why their bodies no longer send those vibrant signals of energy and vitality. Here's the exciting truth. There's a remarkably simple way to reclaim that spark, without pills, without intense workouts, but through a quick routine you can do right before bed. Tonight, I'll share a powerful bedtime drink that naturally boosts your morning readiness and performance. Stick around to the end, where I'll also reveal the 5 common evening mistakes men over 50 make that sabotage circulation, regeneration, and testosterone balance during sleep. You'll be surprised at how straightforward they are to fix. But first, do me a favor. If you're serious about keeping your body strong and capable, hit that like button. Also, drop a comment below with where you're from. I'm always inspired to see men from around the world coming together for better health. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss my tips on staying vibrant, confident, and active as the years go by. Let's debunk a common myth right away. Most men think fatting erections or lost morning vitality are just inevitable parts of aging. It's par for the course, and nothing can be done. That's simply not true. Yes, as we age, our bodies change, arteries become less flexible, testosterone production slows, and sleep gets lighter. But here's the key. These changes don't doom you to decline. Your body still has the capacity for renewal, resilience, and optimal function. It just needs the right signals. One of the most powerful signals you can give is what you put into your body in the hours before bed. After all, nighttime is when your body repairs, rebuilds, and resets blood flow and hormonal balance. Get this window wrong, and you wake up feeling drained, deflated, and unmotivated. Master it, and you'll greet the day with renewed energy, stronger morning erections, and that quiet confidence returning. For those new here, I'm Dr. Rachel Collins, a urologist with over 7 years dedicated to helping men in their 50s, 60s, and beyond. In my practice, I've seen that one of the most overlooked aspects of men's sexual health is nocturnal recovery. Patients spend fortunes on supplements or medications, only to find that real change often comes from restoring the basic biological rhythms disrupted by time. That's why this bedtime drink is so important. It's not a gimmick or hype. It's based on real physiology. Let me break it down step by step. Mistake 5. Skipping proper hydration. The fix: warm water with pomegranate juice and ginger. Too many men go to bed dehydrated, from an evening drink, a salty meal, or just forgetting to sip water, leaving their systems parched. The result? Poor blood flow. So the base of this nighttime elixir is warm water. Its gentle warmth relaxes your digestive system, eases vascular tension, and primes your body for nutrient absorption during sleep. Add pomegranate juice for its polyphenols, plant compounds that repair the inner lining of your blood vessels. Think of your arteries like flexible garden hoses. When they're stiff or damaged, flow is restricted. When smooth and healthy, it surges strongly. Finish with a thin slice of fresh ginger, which boosts nitric oxide, the chemical that signals vessels to open wide. This mimics how some enhancement drugs work, but you're working with your body's natural systems. Biologically, this mix hydrates, repairs, and relaxes your blood vessels overnight. Emotionally, it's a calming ritual that says, I'm still investing in my health. Practically, it takes just minutes to prepare. Mistake 4. Eating heavy late-night meals. The better choice: a light dinner followed by the drink. Ever notice how a big meal leaves you bloated, restless, or waking up at 3 a.m.? That's because your body shifts energy to digestion instead of recovery. Opt for a lighter evening meal and cap it with this tonic, and blood flow isn't stuck in your gut. It's free to energize your heart, brain, and pelvic region. Physiologically, lighter digestion frees up resources for repair and testosterone production. Emotionally, you wake feeling lighter, sharper, and more comfortable in your skin. Practically, swap that late-night burger for something simple, then sip your elixir. Mistake 3. letting stress carry over into the evening. The remedy: calm your nervous system. Stress doesn't just kill desire mentally, it physically impairs erections. Cortisol, the stress hormone, competes with testosterone and tightens blood vessels. A warm, soothing drink before bed helps. The heat signals your body to shift from fight or flight to rest and restore. Biologically, relaxed nerves mean better circulation and stronger nighttime hormone pulses. Emotionally, instead of crashing into bed tense, you drift off peacefully and wake more grounded. Practically, pair the drink with a short walk or a few deep breaths. Mistake 2: ignoring overnight circulation support. The solution: polyphenols plus nitric oxide boosters. Few men realize their blood vessels work out during sleep, expanding and contracting to stay elastic. But if you hit the hay inflamed or dehydrated, this rhythm falters, leading to reduced flow and weaker morning responses over time. Pomegranate's polyphenols and ginger's nitric oxide support keep this vital process going. Physiologically, flexible vessels mean stronger erections. Emotionally, it reminds you that your body is still capable and strong. Practically, one small nightly serving supports the same pathways drugs try to force. Mistake 1: skipping a recovery routine altogether. The fix: create an intentional bedtime ritual. The biggest error is not having a deliberate wind down for regeneration. Many men scroll endlessly, binge-watch, or crash randomly, expecting their bodies to fix themselves without guidance. But by mindfully making and sipping this drink, paired with deep breaths, you tell your system, time to heal. Biologically, this activates hormones, vessels, and nerves for full repair. Emotionally, it brings dignity. You're not chasing lost youth, you're honoring who you are now. Practically, it takes just 5 minutes, with benefits showing up every morning. To get started, mix warm water with a splash of pure pomegranate juice and a thin slice of ginger. Sip it slowly about 30 minutes before bed. Add some light movement or stretches if you like. Try it for 2 weeks and notice the changes: firmer mornings, clearer energy, fewer nighttime wake-ups, deeper sleep, and stronger signals of vitality. Listen closely, this is important. If you've avoided intimacy, felt embarrassed about your body, or thought, "My best days are behind me," know this: you're not broken. Your body hasn't given up on you, it's just waiting for the right care. Simple steps like this drink can restore better circulation, balanced hormones, and fresh confidence. This isn't about turning back the clock to 25, it's about being your most vital, connected self today. So my challenge: try it tonight. No overthinking, just slice the ginger, add the juice, warm the water, and sip with intention. See it as a quiet promise. I'm still in the game, my body still matters, I still matter. Because aging doesn't mean the end of vitality. With consistent small actions, you can rebuild strength, connection, and pride. If this resonated, hit like, subscribe for more tips, and share it with a friend. You might change someone's life. This is Dr. Rachel Collins, reminding you that your body has more potential than you know. Give it a chance and it'll surprise you, starting tomorrow morning and every day after.